If you're rocking an iPhone right now, you might want to sit down, because rumors are swirling that Tesla's 2025 Pi Phone could seriously shake up Apple's throne. And no, this ain't your usual overhyped hype. We're talking solar-powered, charging, 5-day battery life, global Starlink connectivity without a SIM card, and a custom Tesla chip rumored to be twice as fast as Apple's A18. Yeah, you heard that right. Some insiders even say it'll control your Tesla car, your home, and smart devices all in one ultra-simple interface that could make your iPhone feel like it's stuck in 2010. Is this the beginning of Apple's empire crumbling? Or just another rumor that fades away? We don't know yet, but if even half of this pans out, the tech world's about to get wild up before we dive in. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, so you're first to catch the next Elon Musk bombshell. Here's the deal. Apple's ruled smartphones for over a decade, but 2025 looks different. Even Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak threw shade, saying Tesla's UI is the worst he's ever seen. But here's the twist. The market numbers tell a more complicated story. In late 2024, iPhone sales in the US dropped nearly 10%, the steepest dip in 7 years. China? Apple lost 2 million users as Huawei surged with tech that dodges US sanctions. And worldwide, Apple's revenue growth slowed while Android brands like Samsung and Xiaomi kept climbing. Consumers are done paying premium prices for tiny upgrades. The iPhone 15 Pro Max launched at $1,199. That's almost double what the iPhone 12 Pro Max cost. But what did you get? Slightly better cameras and shinier finishes. The hype's flat, and so are sales. Meanwhile, Elon Musk is firing on all cylinders. Tesla's about to drop the affordable Model 2. SpaceX's Starlink internet covers millions globally, and xAI is pushing Tesla's AI ecosystem forward. So it's not crazy to think Tesla's next move, the Pi Phone, might just be the game changer Apple never saw coming. This phone reportedly skips SIM cards altogether, running on Starlink satellites, meaning anywhere you are, even the middle of nowhere, you've got connectivity. Add in a battery that lasts a whole week thanks to solid-state tech and solar charging, and suddenly daily phone anxiety is over. The Pi Phone isn't just flashy, it's built with seniors and everyday folks in mind. Big fonts, simple. Menus, natural voice commands, no confusing apps. Imagine a phone that helps with medication reminders, auto alerts emergency contacts if you fall, and sends SOS signals from literally anywhere. That kind of accessibility? It's gold for millions who find current smartphones just too complicated or expensive to maintain. But here's the real kicker. The Pi Phone could be the heart of Elon's grand vision. A fully integrated ecosystem connecting your Tesla car, solar-powered home, Powerwalls, Starlink internet, and even the upcoming Tesla bot. No juggling apps or logins. Just one clean, AI-powered interface controlling everything. Compare that to Apple's shiny but limited universe of iPhones, AirPods, and Apple Watches. Cool, but mostly screen-bound. Tesla's aiming for off-grid, AI-driven total control over your digital life. If they pull this off, Apple's ecosystem might suddenly feel like the old Nokia 3310 next to a Tesla Cybertruck. So, is the Tesla Pi Phone the real iPhone killer or just another Elon Musk pipe dream? With Tesla's track record, I wouldn't bet against them. Drop your take in the comments. Tesla wins if you think Elon's got the future in his hands, or Apple's still king if you're riding with the OG. Don't forget to subscribe to West Tech and hit that bell, because when Elon drops the next bombshell, you'll want to be the first to hear it. Catch you on the flip side.